Hello, I'm Tylah Tully, and today I'm joined by Flynn Gold, Managing Director and CEO Neil Marston. Neil, thanks for being here today.
It's great to be with you, Tylah.
So you've just announced an upsized $5 million raising to accelerate exploration at your Tasmanian projects. What were the key factors that explain the strong level of demand for this raising, and why is this a significant outcome for Flynn?
Well, look, it's really interesting with gold prices, silver prices where they are. We're starting to see across the whole of the sector money flowing into the small cap explorers. So, we were really wrapped with the amount of interest in our projects. We've got high-grade gold and high-grade silver projects in Tasmania, which the demand to fill the rights issue and placement was phenomenal, really.
So what work have you earmarked for these funds?
So our flagship project is at Golden Ridge, and we're drilling there at the moment. We'll continue that program. And our plan is to bring a second drill rig into Tasmania to do drilling at Golden Ridge and also to follow up our other targets. So we've got targets at Mangana, high-grade gold there, which we want to drill test. And then over on the west coast, we've got the Henty North project, where the old Silver King silver mine has got workings there which haven't been drill tested since 1947, and we're going to put some holes under that mine. So we're looking forward to doing that. And we're also got at Fire Tower, we're doing some work there. That's a gold, cobalt, tungsten project. A lot of interest in tungsten at the moment, as you're probably aware. So we're looking to advance that project and ultimately get back there and do some more drilling shortly.
You've recently completed a significant amount of drilling at the Grenadier and double event prospects at Golden Ridge. When do you expect results from this, and what are the next steps at that project?
Okay, so the Grenadier results should drop in the next few weeks, so they'll be out before the end of the month. Double event, the program's still undergoing there. We've about halfway through that program. We'll finish that up by pretty much the end of the month, and the results from that will flow through between basically now and Christmas. Once we've got those results, we'll look to do some more work there in the new year. But as I said, we've got other targets as well, which we're keen to get some work onto and get the drill rig spinning on those new areas.
We'll definitely keep our eyes peeled.
Great, thank you.
What can you tell us about Tasmania as a jurisdiction for exploration and mining?
Look, it's a very easy place to do work. Just for an example, we had the Mines Department come to Mangana with us 2 weeks ago, have a look at what we plan to do. We've got the permits from them, and we've actually completed the first drill pad. So that's how quick things can get done over in Tasmania. The government there, both parties, Conservative and Labor parties, are very supportive of mining in the state. Over 60% of export revenue for Tasmania comes from mining operations. They understand that mining is a very important part of their economy, and we're getting a lot of support for what we're doing.
With exploration also ramping up at your silver and critical metals projects, is there anything else that investors should be looking out for?
Yes, well, as I said, the Fire Tower project, we've got a bunch of samples going through the labs at the moment. They're being re-assayed for cobalt and tungsten, which was never assayed in the original drilling. So the first batch of those results should drop later in October. We'll be extending that program, I expect, based on what we've seen in previous assays. So that project is becoming really quite important for us. So we'll be working, quite a bit on that over the next 6 months. And yes, silver, obviously, very, very important commodity now. We're seeing some, over $50 an ounce silver price. Testing some of our targets down at Henty North, where we've got ground near Silver King, but that goes for over 1.5 kilometres down to a place called Ziam Bell. That really is an area we want to have a good look at over the next few months.
Oh, Neil, definitely sounds like a lot of news flow that investors should be keeping their eyes peeled for.
Great, yes it is. Thank you.
Thanks for your time today.
Cheers.
For more ASX news and analysis, subscribe below.